Yeah, welcome to my channel again. Um, Quickly, I want us to do a trade recap on this pair, Chfjpy, and I did a top-down analysis on it maybe a week ago or so, and I explained what I will be waiting for before I can execute this trade. So I want us to see exactly what the market did and how I was able to decide and make a decision at this point. So as you can see, I think this is one of the charts that I used to explain, and it's very simple. All I do was to mark my um, daily structure. You guys know I mark my structure and what I want to see. So in this essence, in this chart now, what I was able to identify was I had my daily high here and my daily low here. So, and why do I have my daily low here? I think I explained it in the previous video. So, and as you can see from this level, when market gave us break of structure here, and this serves to be our low, and let me remove this, and we have to look for kind of inducement, and as you can see, we have daily inducement here, and as I explained, there is no POI, and this is our dealing range, our trading range. This is our high, then this is our low. There's no POI for us to trade with, although some people might actually use this level as a POI. Remember, this is a daily time frame, but this is not my POI because it's not valid for me. So, and I said, once market take out inducements like this, daily inducement, all I need to do is to see a bullish momentum that will confirm that, okay, market want this level will be protected and market want to continue in the buying direction. So, and I scale up to 1H straight, and that was when I started noticing. When market got, remember this daily inducement, and I started noticing what the market was doing. So when I was coming down, I knew that this is the 1H decisional POI, which, 1H supply zone. And if this zone can be taken out, then there is a tendency that this market will continue pushing up. So, and as you can see, breakdown 1H inducement is here, 1H inducement is here, and we expect this level to mitigate this market to mitigate this level and drop and probably close below here. But that doesn't happen, and as you can see, market only came back for internal inducement, then close above. Immediately I see that the market gave us break of structure on this level, which confirmed that inducement taken out, the market is preparing to continue its buying momentum. So that's when I start marking my 1 hour structure. So this will give me, okay, this is a 1 hour inducement taken out and market coil up, break this structure. Then immediately I saw that break of structure, I decided to position for the trade. And as you can see, markets actually push up, push down, then push up. So this level serve as my what? As my inducement for 1 hour. And as I said, we only had two POIs, and the first one is this that rests below the inducement, and the last one will be this. So and I position for this. If this fail, then I'll come and position here again to the upside. It's worth the risk. So by this time, if I wait, this will give me about 1 to 8, but I would rather position to take my 1 to 4. So, but luckily for me, you can see when market got to this level, I got triggered and the market do its thing by breaking the structure to the upside. So you can see that this process is just the same thing over and over again. You can see what we have here. Market, market, market actually break this structure to the upside, create kind of inducement to the upside, then come down to decisional POI. If this one fail like this, then we are buying at the extreme. But luckily for us, this one hold, and you can see how market actually blow to the upside. So this is just the concept. And once you understand this, the problem will be solved. So after I add this thing, the extreme, the overall target will be to come to the daily break of structure again. So after I understand that, and why I was able to catch this move was because I understand the direction of the higher time frame. That's what is very, very important. And you can see in this case now, see what the market did after break of structure, and the market did a pullback like this, then small pullback, then up. So in this case, all you need to do is to just identify your what? Identify your inducement. And after identifying my inducement, which is 1 hour inducement, what am I supposed to do? like POIs, and which is here. This is the POI resting below this inducement. And if this do not, if this fail to push the market to the upside, then what are we supposed to do? Wait for the extreme. Where is the extreme? I can say this is the extreme order block that we had here. So that's all. So whichever way, if this push up and fail, the market will come here. We'll take a chance again and buy. So that's just the concept. You don't need to stress yourself about this thing. Just understand the three things: mark your inducement, mark your inducement, mark your decisional POI, and mark your extreme POI. Wait for those two POI and execute your trade, and you will see that your win rate will increase. So this is the simplest way. I intentionally decided to be giving out this concept because I can see that in all of the people teaching SMC, this is one of the simplest method you can ever come across. And if you find it difficult, you can still ask me some questions. Drop your comments in the comment section. Then I will explain to you. But as far as I'm concerned, I've been able to simplify this level for this concept for as simple as I can for people to understand and to be able to relate with. So, bye for now. See you in another video.